How to use Shopify for home cleaning services. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to use Shopify for home cleaning services. So without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a link down in the description below which will redirect you to a sign up page for Shopify in where you can get a 3-day free trial. And then after those 3 days, these 3 plans over here in Shopify, the basic plan, the Shopify plan, and the advanced plan will only cost you $1 per month instead of $19, $49, and $299. So without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. So the big question is, why should you use Shopify for your home cleaning services? Well, Shopify allows you to promote your services and of course manage everything in one place. So it has features like analytics, creating your discounts, and of course customizing your online store. So the first thing that we're going to do first is to add our services. So to do that, just go to products over here and then just simply add your service. And then once you're here, what you want to do is to just input the name of your cleaning service. So for example, I'll do basic home cleaning. There you go. And then after that, just input the description of your cleaning services right here. Or you could just use Shopify's AI. So for me, I'll just do that. Click on generate and then there you go. So you can either keep this or generate again. For me, I'll just keep this and then there you go. Next is media. So in here, what you want to do is to just upload an image of your service. So for me, I'll be using this image over here. So I'll just upload it. There you go. While it's uploading, you can also upload more images just by clicking on this. And then next we have category. So in here, just input the category of your service. But usually Shopify does that automatically when you input the name of the service, the description, and of course the media. Next is pricing. So in here, just input the price of your service. So for example, I'll just set it to 5,000. Next is inventory. So you really don't need to edit stuff here since we are promoting services, not products. So we really don't need to track the quantity of it. Same goes with shipping. So since we are promoting services, we're not selling any physical products. Next are variants. So in here, you can add variants for your product. So just input the variant name over here and those options. Next is we have search engine listing. So this is what your service will look like if someone searches it online. And at the very top over here, you can set the status of your service as active or draft. Next is product type. So I'll just name it services. Choose your vendor over here. You can also add this to your collections. For me, I'll just add it to my homepage. And then tag. So for me, I'll just add services and home cleaning. And then there you go. So once you're done customizing your product, just simply click on save. And then after that, our service has been created. So what I'm going to do next is to add 2 more services. So I'll be adding a deep home cleaning service and a move in, move out cleaning service. So again, to do that, just click on add product over here and then just redo all the steps that you did a while ago for your service. So yeah, and then there you go. So I added 2 more services over here. So I added deep home cleaning and move in, move out cleaning. So once you're done adding your services or products, what you want to do now is to download an app so that people or customers that will be visiting your website will be able to book and set dates for your services. So to do that, just go to apps right here. Go to all recommended apps and then just simply click on the Shopify App Store. And then once you're here, just go to the search bar and then just search for Appointly. And then after that, what you want to do is to install this app over here, appointment booking app. So just install this and then after installing it, just click on open. And after that, we'll be redirected here in the setup page for the app. So once you're here, what you want to do is just go to services, click on add new service. And then what you want to do in here is to just enter the service that you added right here in your product section. So I'll just add first basic home cleaning, there you go, add service, and then there you go, this is now a service. Next is deep home cleaning, so I'll just do that, add new service, and then let's just search for deep home cleaning, add service, and then there you go. Next and lastly is move in, move out cleaning. So again, add new service, and then move in, move out cleaning, add service, and then there you go. So when your customers try to buy or purchase this service, it will allow them to set or book dates in using your services. So next, what we're going to do now is to customize our online store. So to do that, just go to online store over here. And after that, you'll be redirected here in the themes page for your online store. So you can just simply use Shopify's default theme, which is Dawn, or you can use other themes right here in the bottom. Just simply click on add, and then after that, that theme will be applied to your website. But if you want to check out more themes, just go click on visit theme store over here. And then after that, you'll be redirected here in the theme store, in where you can now start downloading themes, and then on the left side you can also filter them out here and use the theme that you want to use. So for me, I'll just use the Dawn theme, which is the default theme. So I'll just click on customize right here, and then after that I'll be redirected here in the website editor. So in here, what we're going to do first is to edit sections. So usually sections are covered by these blue lines over here, and you'll also see its name right here in the top left corner. So first thing I'm gonna do is to edit this image banner. So I'll just click on this, and after that, in the right side over here, there will be some settings right here that we can customize, like images, color schemes, animations, and a lot more. So feel free to customize your sections out. So for me, I'll just add an image for this section. So for example, I'll use this image right here, click on done, and then after that, this image will now be applied to my banner. Next is I'll also try to change the text over here. So I'll just make it welcome to my home cleaning services, and then there you go. So next, what we're going to do now is to add sections. So to add a section, just go to template over here, go click on add section, and after that, just choose the kind of section you want to add. So you can add feature products, videos, email signups, and a lot more. So feel free to choose on what kind of section you want to add. So for me, I'll just add a feature product, and then after that, I'll just click on the feature product section. And then the right side, I'll just select my service. So for example, I want to feature the basic home cleaning service. And then let's say I'll change the color scheme to scheme 2. And then there you go. And then if you want to edit the other pages of your store, just click on this one right here. And then you can now start editing your products page, collections page, your cart and checkout page, and a lot more. So feel free to customize these pages out. And then once you're done, just simply click on save to save all your changes. And then once you're ready to publish it online, just click on publish right here. Click on publish again. And then after that, your store is now online. So to view your store, just click on these three dots over here, click on preview, and after that you will now be redirected to your website. And then for example, when I click on this service right here, the basic home cleaning, when I click on this, as you can see, it allows us to schedule our time for the service. So I'll just click on this, and then there you go. We can now set dates and the time for the service. And then once that customer is now done setting the dates and time for the service, they can now book that service. So yeah. So next is we have analytics. So in here, you'll get to see the detailed view of the analytics of your website. So you get to see your total sales, total orders, and a lot more. So feel free to check this section out. Next is we have reports. So in here, you'll get to see all of your reports related to your website. And of course, you can create custom reports right here. And then we have live view. So in here, you'll get to see a live view of your website. So you'll get to see a live view of the visitors you have right now, total sessions, total sales, total orders, and a lot more. So feel free to check this section out. Next is we have discounts. So in here, you can create discounts for your services. So to do that, just click on add discount over here, and then just select your discount type. So you can choose amount of products, buy X, get Y, amount of order, free shipping. So feel free to choose on what kind of discount type you want to use. For me, I'll just choose amount of order. And after that, just choose your method over here at the top. So you can set it as discount code or automatic discount. For me, I'll just set it to discount code. So just enter a discount code over here, or you can generate a random one. For me, I'll just generate a random one. Next is discount value. So in here, you can set your discount value as percentage or fixed amount. For me, I'll just set it as percentage and leave it at 5%. Next, there's some settings right here that you can customize for your discount. So you can customize your minimum purchase requirements, customer eligibility, maximum discount uses, and combinations. So feel free to customize this options out. And then lastly, so we have active dates. So in here, you can add start dates and end dates for your discount. So just input their start dates and end dates here, and of course their start time and their end time. And then once you're done creating your discount, just simply click on save. And then after that, your discount code has now been created. And at the very top over here, you'll also get a shareable link so that you can promote your discount code via email or social media to your customers. Then after that, you are done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Shopify for home cleaning services. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.